Hey, we're at the Otter booth here at the Ice Institute, checking out the XT cabin right here and the XT Pro cabin right here. Now these are new. There's some new features. The same design concept, but there's a few new things with those. First off, now they've added side doors with all the models here from Otter. So you've got some nice big side door areas. This is the regular unit we're looking at right now, the XT cabin. And you've got a window in back, but you don't have any other rear access. Where the Pro has the area so you can actually have your tanks outside, and if you needed to, you could pass something from the back. And the regular also has the bench seat, whereas the Pro has the little adjustable seats right there, and we'll get that in just a minute. Otherwise, they're both thermal. They both have the same pivot brackets here in the corner for the house. They have the quick adjust holes that can be put up in such much quicker and easier. Again, Pro version that's regular. Here's the Pro. Pro's got the seats. It has the little spot in back zipper. If you needed to, you could probably get out of that. Otherwise, it's for handling things back and forth throughout the back, or getting air, whatever you want to do. And you're good. You're good to go. Now, I want to show you this. I'm a 6-foot person, and there's absolutely no way I could stand up in this one. Whereas some of the bigger ones, I would be able to stand up. Now we'll take a look here as I'm fishing. If I'd be fishing right here and doing my thing, I've got some space for my heater, for the camera and such, but I wouldn't be able to have 2 holes, 2 people, camera, everything going at the same time. This would be pretty compact. If I had children with me or somebody I really loved, I'd be good. But if I got one of my buddies who's big and stinky like I am, probably not the great option for us, but still a nice design and such, just a little bit smaller than some of the other ones. This again is the XT cabin right there, and the XT Pro cabin right here from Otter. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check both of these out online. We're at the Ice Institute here in Sioux Falls.